Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Real quick, we had our first meeting last night for Merkabah Scholar Society, and a lot of people couldn't make it, but there was a pre-recorded video that I did that you guys will get today or tomorrow. I have to edit the video, plus I'll mix in the video from last night. But basically, everything we talked about last night is going to be in that video. So the next meeting, you guys are going to have questions. So I talked about books that we're going to have, our logos, our clothes, what have you, what the Merkabah Scholar Society entails. All that's going to be in the pre-recorded video that you guys will get today or tomorrow. So if you missed the meeting, don't worry about it. You guys get the video so you'll understand that information. So the next meeting, any questions you have, you guys can shoot to me. And we'll do a live only for Merkabah Scholar Society on YouTube, as a matter of fact, because I can make it so only people with the link can participate. So it's a lot of people who got in late. I left it up for a little bit longer for people to join. So it's completely changed now. You guys still have a slight opportunity to get in. The links are in the description. Again, the prices has changed. And as I said, after this time, you guys will have to be voted in after this. So this is the round 2 for people to try to get in. We'll have our next meeting pretty soon. That link will go out to you guys. I had to come to LA. I'm in LA right now to take care of some business and some personal business, which is why I was here last night, which is why the meeting was so late. But I know a lot of you guys are overseas. A lot of you guys hit me up and said you won't be able to make it. But I did a pre-recorded video that I'm going to send to you guys. Everybody will get it in their email. Don't worry if you didn't get NDAs yet. NDAs are still going out. So everybody will have their NDA signed by the next meeting because there's a lot of new people. Everybody who was in that first group, you guys all got NDAs already. So you should have them already. Check your email. Send me an email if you didn't get it. But the next wave of people, those NDAs are already going out. So check your email. So everybody will have one by next meeting. It was a good meeting. A lot of people showed up. We put out a lot of information. We talked about a lot of different things. Ace Cloud talked about some things, and we're going to get into a lot more. So thanks to everybody who came out last night and participated. Thanks to everybody for watching the video put out yesterday. Saturn Satan Final, I put out the preview, so make sure you guys check that out. And check out this video as well for the preview. So link is in the description. If you guys want to get in while it's still not so high, get in now. As I said, again, you guys are going to have to be voted in. Merkabah Scholar Society people, make sure you guys hit the registration link in the description and register. The new site is going up for Merkabah Scholar Society, so those doors will be open. As I said, I'm trying to get everybody in quickly as possible and get out everybody's NDAs as quickly as possible. But yeah, let's get into this video. Thanks for watching.